Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a text-based video game using Notepad. So first what you want to do is open Notepad. Okay. Now as always, usually when I'm doing programs on Notepad, I always type @echo off. And I usually do color A, but you can do whatever color you want to. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to type :A, which is where we're starting, which is if we have to go back to the beginning, then we just say go to :A. Okay, so now we're going to start our game. I think I'm going to make it about like fighting. Let's just do a fighting roleplay kind of game. Okay, so welcome to fighting. Okay, and then I'm going to put a space in between that, and between the welcome to fighting and what I'm going to type next. Now usually in these games I have passwords for every level, which comes in handy so you can jump to a level without having to replay everything. So echo, please enter pass, and then echo here. Now in order to get it to where it sends you to a level with the password, you're going to have to set the /p menu. So we're going to type set /p menu. In the menu, actually I'm going to do pass or option. Now let's just do menu. Okay, menu is going to equal pass. Okay, now that we have that, we're going to set the first level. So what we're going to do is we're going to type if %menu, because the menu is what our password is, so we use that as our keyword to tell us what to do. So if %menu equals twice, you want to do the equals twice because it's like a direction and you have to be specific when writing scripts. So if %menu equals, and then we're just going to say the password is fight001. I'm just using the F for fight. Then we're going to say go to :B, which will be our level 1. Okay, so we're just going to leave it like that for right now, and then we're going to go back and work on level 1. Now you want to pause and then clear the screen. Okay, so that way we have our screen cleared for the next level. Now you're going to work on the first level. And you're going to have to write the story as you go. You can make it different than what I'm making it, or you can make it however you want to. But anyways, so :B, which is our first level, as shown up there at the menu. You're going to type CLS again, so that way it clears what was first. Okay, now we're going to type echo. And usually I would make it to where you can enter your name. I'll have to show you how to do that some other time, but I'm just going to show you how to simply make a game without using your name. So we're going to type echo and then start our role play here. Say you walk into you walk down, how about that, down an alley and someone jumps out at you. Okay. Pause again so that way you can read it gradually as you go. So you walk down an alley and someone jumps out at you, pause. Now we're going to echo again. He asks you for your money. And you, being nice, gives him $3. Now, this is just a quick version of what I would make, so it's not going to be exactly the same. Pause, echo. Okay, now we're going to say that he attacks you or something. He knows you have more, so he attacks you. Now we're going to have to pause again. Alright. Now for this one, we're going to have to give some options on what you're going to have to do. So we're going to say option 1, or well, let's just say parentheses 1. That'll work for options because you'll get the picture. So 1, let's just say option is fight back. Now echo parentheses 2, your option is try to run. Or, and then option 3 will be give him the rest of your money. Okay? And we're going to put a period after the next echo to give like a space in between it. Okay, now we're going to set our menu again. Set/p menu equals option this time instead of pass. Now if, let's say if percent menu equals twice 1 go to, we're going to say it'll just go to C, which will be our level for the fight back. Then we're going to say if percent menu equals 2 go to D, and if percent menu equals 3 go to E. There we go. Now we're going to pause and then clear screen. Now that we've done that, we're going to enter twice and type RC. We're going to echo you decide to fight. And echo period. And I think you get the picture of how it should work then with that. Let me say pause. Let me go down and pause and show you how it works from there. Pause. And gonna file, save it as, I'm just gonna say fight game dot bat. Always save your games as .bat so it'll come up in command prompt, and we want to save it as all files. Now that we've done that, we'll go to find the fight, and there it is, fight game. That says, welcome to fighting, please enter pass. Now remember the pass was F001. You walk down an alley and someone jumps out at you. Press any key to continue. He asks you for money, and you, being nice, gives him $3. Press any key to continue. He knows you have more, and so he attacks you. And your options, well, we forgot to ask for what you want to do, but anyways. Your options are fight back, try to run, or give him the rest of your money, which the only one we writ down was fight back, so we're going to type 1. You decide to fight, and that's all we have, but you get the picture. So, thank you for watching. I hope this helps you create your